One more question from
Yeah.
us. So how do we know Atma never ends, right? So the Atma, it doesn't, have any endings.
Ending in a sense, it is a wave in the cosmos, it is there, okay, right.
Okay, so how do I know in which birth I am in, or how, is there any possibility?
That is what I say. If the entire wave, if all your signals, if all my waves, if they enter a single body, then I can say rebirth. It is not possible. A part of this will go to somebody. A part of this will go to somebody else. So what is the fun of calling rebirth? My body ends, that's all, but my waves will be operating different bodies, depending upon the frequency. That's all.
So then whatever I feel, what I am now, I will not be exist in future or lost also.
Yes.
What I am now, what I am feeling.
Okay.
So I will not be exist in future.
You will not be extend in future. See, I have some feeling now. America is the best country. Once I die, what is the feeling there? What is the thought here?
So once you come out of this body, there is no time. There is no space. This is a technology you are in right now to experience this and ask these questions. But once you come out of this body, there is no time and space anymore. So there is no future for you as such. You're just
so I will not go to the next body or even next time.
Yes, if you have.
That is what I am saying. Going to the body means what? Your entire wave should enter the body. That is impossible.
So I will not be the same next time then.
That's right, that's what he said. That because this whole wave system will not be carried over to the next body on the whole.
Not possible.
Not possible. So I will not be the same next time.
That is what I am repeating. That is what I am repeatedly saying.
So just like you have.
But your waves will be there. Your waves will be there. Operating many bodies.
So just like you have elementary, middle and high school here, there is another level of education going on elsewhere.
Yeah, okay.
Depending on which lessons you haven't still learned, you will operate over there. So like if you keep saying, why do you need to evolve or why do you need moksha? Then eventually you will have to come back to, if you don't answer it in this lifetime, another lifetime you will come in and learn the lessons you did not learn back then. So you will graduate over levels.
Same like if you don't do well in this grade, you have to repeat the grade.
Well, the one thing is, there's no such thing as a failure. It's all self-oriented.
Yeah, of course.
It's all self-oriented.
So
you don't compare yourself with someone else. It has nothing to do with anyone.
We are on our own journey.
You are your own journey.
Social.
Exactly. And the people you have in your life are basically there to help you acknowledge the lessons you are here to learn. They're not here to fight you or tell you, I'm better than you or you need to be a perfect wife. But observe your interactions with others. I think the main thing you can do is ask good questions, but also observe. What are you doing here? Who are you interacting with? Who are you mostly resistant to? Who are you having the most arguments with? Right? They're all here to basically help you. So the most arguments you have mostly with people are the people who are really going to teach you your real life lessons. So instead of reacting in a resistant way, understand what is really happening at a higher level. Come a little above, right?
Yeah.
Don't look at it too closely, come above.
Yeah,
And then you will be able to observe better.
Yeah,
right?
the only thing that pulls us down to not observe is our ego.
Because you get reactive, right? You get emotionally attached to something.
Yeah.
Keep a little distance from your own drama and from other people's drama, and you will observe very, very clearly.
Good.
It is very difficult.
So you're saying that, but it will eventually happen.
Because once we met people, right, we connected like each other. So it's very hard to understand. Move from there.
Well, now that you say that, it will happen. Observe.
So, being said, the way you're saying, so is that the level of your Atma achieves
Yeah,
something.
so there is a soul evolution.
Yeah, so in that journey, you're saying that, it's keep on evolving and it's keep on moving. So whatever I learned in this, in my birth at this time will be carried over, or I will start all over again from the
Definitely carry over.
Yeah, definitely carry
Yeah.
over. No, because professor is saying it is like, it disperses to so many different, it's in the wave system and it goes to, different bodies and
Actually, what
so.
he's trying to say is that we are a multidimensional soul. And going to different bodies may not necessarily be in this dimension, it can be in another dimension.
Yes.
I'll not elaborate too much because that's way too advanced. But you will come into this, because every soul has this ability. If you're asking these questions today, eventually your soul will provide you the answers to these. So some souls are very evolved, some souls are on their way. And again, this is not to go from making a bias between discrimination between white and black and brown, to going like who's more
What
evolved.
do you want, exactly, not like that.
Don't do those.
Yeah, there is no measure. There is no measure.
Yeah, so the main thing is your own journey. Don't compare yourself and never look at someone else and say why that person has it and I don't. Well, the moment you do that, you are
That's all.
attracting their life lessons to yourself. So you have your life lessons, now you've attracted a few more.
You already have enough signals for one life, so you don't need more lessons.
Well said.